students. So today we will practice our chapter number 2, that is Microsoft Word. So let's start. First of all, we will open our application. Just click on start. In search bar type WORD and these things you have to open. So this is your Microsoft Word 2007, and if you are using 2010, that is also okay. No issue with the version. Any version you can choose according to your choice. So now start. So this is your word page, like your notebook page. So if you want to write something about, like I just want to write about color, so heading should be color. So right here colors, colors. And if I want to align these colors in center, as you see, if you are writing any paragraph, heading in center only. See, colors, this is a spelling mistake, that's why red line is there. So I just want to show you this thing also, like if you are writing anything wrong, then it will show you suggestions also. So now just right click here, and these are the spelling, so choose the correct spelling. Now I want to place this heading in the center of your page. So these are different options available for aligning your text. Aligning means आप उस text को अपने पेज पे कहाँ place करना चाहते हो. By default everything in left side of your page, but if you want to align in center, you have to select this option. This is for alignment center. So जब जैसे आप select करके click करोगे, your text automatically move into the center position. And if I will click on this, your text will move in right direction. And justify means ना left ना right ना center, बिल्कुल उससे अलग. ठीक है, justify. So now we will keep it in center. Now what we have to do, we want to change color, we want to change size, we want to change font. Font means किस style से आप लिखना चाहते हो. So these are different styles available. अगर आप ये choose करते हो, so these different styles are available. And as we know, we are writing a title here, so we will go with this title. So by default it will give you a title. Now we want to keep it in center. Again select and keep it in center. So this is the heading of your paragraph. But you want to give manually, then you can just go back here, select normal, it's back to the normal position, and you can do the font color change from these options available. So this is the language. Different languages are available. You can just click here and you will be able to see this. Now whatever you are choosing, you will be able to see the preview here. So just check each and every font, whatever you like you can go with that. Okay, anything you can choose. I found this one is interesting, so I will go with this. I want to keep my title bold, and I want to also increase the size of my page title. So just go with thing, and these are different options available. These for color, so any color you can choose. I will go with the lavender shade. And underline style, like words only, no underline. Okay, like आपने सभी वर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन किया, या फिर आपको डॉट चाहिए, या फिर आपको सिंपल चाहिए, anything you can choose. Underline color भी आप choose कर सकते हो. So with purple I will just take a darker shade of purple. Okay, so anything you can do. And these are some different effects. Strike तो मतलब एक लाइन आपके टेक्स्ट के बीच में से होकर जाएगी, देन डबल स्ट्राइक जाएगा, देन सबस्क्रिप्ट जाएंगे, मीन्स आप उसको ऊपर लिखना चाहते हो, छोटा लिखना चाहते हो. So all these things you can apply and practice from your side. Okay, so now this is the thing we have done. And if we want to write this thing in lowercase, so just select and apply lowercase. See, everything will come in lowercase only. Uppercase, lowercase, and then we want to align it center. This is done. Now we want to write about colors. So we will write there are many. So we will do one thing, we will write about rainbow. In rainbow we are having 7 colors. Okay, and then we will write sequence is. Now what we want to do, we do not want underline for this text, so select this text only and remove this one, remove bold also, and this should be in smaller size, so we will just keep this smaller size. And we can also change the color for this thing. So with purple we want to have dark purple. Okay, and now it's showing you green line. Green line means no grammatical mistake, only this should be in smaller. So why it's not coming in smaller? Because we have selected a style. In that style everything is in capital letters only. That's why we are getting this issue. So I will just remove that style. Okay, now we are in normal. Now you can do anything. So just if you want to select this complete line, so arrow is here. Just press shift and enter, your complete line will get selected. Now we will keep detail part in 16 and we will choose language Times New Roman, that I always prefer for writing a paragraph. And now we want to change the font color. So just keep the dark purple color here. Okay, you can choose anything. And we want to keep this text on left hand side. Okay, is it clear? Very good. Now sequence is colon. Now we are having 7 colors in rainbow, and first color is, or 7 color starting from violet. Again spelling mistake. See, if you are writing anything and there is a spelling mistake, you will be able to see red underlines. Spelling is violet. So you can check all these things. Violet, indigo. Now again I have written mistake, so that you come to know like how you can correct. So like if I have written this, okay, or this, it will give you suggestions like this. There is no indo is there, so no indigo there. So what we have to do, we will just right click and do the correction. Now again blue color is there and green color is there, yellow color is there, with your orange color is there, and last is red. So you can read in this way, like first color in rainbow is red and last color is violet. So you can write in this way or anything you can write. Now we want to give the numbering or anything so that we can count how many colors are there. So from this numbering library you can give numbers like ABCD, capital ABCD, Roman, small ABCD, and Roman small with dot, anything you can select. And if you want to keep spacing between them, so from here is an option line spacing. By default is 1.5. If you will select 1.5, there will be little more space in between all of them. Okay, now this formatting is clear. Now we want to insert an image. For that, suppose we will go back into your Google Chrome browser, and here I will write rainbow colors, or okay, rainbow colors, and I will select on images, and this is your rainbow color. Okay, I will select any image. So this image we will like because there is a lot of information about this rainbow. So we have saved this image on desktop and I have given the name rainbow only. Okay, now press enter. This will get downloaded. Now what we have to do, we will go back our Microsoft Word. From this option insert, we can insert a picture by clicking on picture option. So we have saved it on desktop, so we have to click on desktop here. Then we will just click and type